Check out this 2010 Volvo S40. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for, with a reliable engine connected to a smooth shifting transmission. Stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. The anti-lock braking system will keep you safe on the road. Heated seats offer comfort in cold weather, and memory settings make for a more comfortable ride. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: air conditioning, power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control, power mirrors, an alarm system, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included: front ventilated disc brakes, passenger airbag, side airbag, curtain head airbags, stability control, daytime running lights. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.